At the break of dawn, when the city of Mumbai is just waking up, there's a place where energy never sleeps. Every single day, 365 days a year, come rain, sunshine, or winter breeze, one woman keeps the spirit alive. This is Usha Patel, a symbol of discipline, passion, and unstoppable commitment. From 6 to 7 every morning, her growing family of over 100 fitness enthusiasts comes together not just to exercise, but to celebrate life. And today was no ordinary morning. It was Gudi Padwa, the Maharashtra New Year, a day of new beginnings, joy, and prosperity. The beach transformed into a vibrant canvas of tradition as participants arrived dressed in stunning Maharashtrian sarees, adding color to the golden sands of Juhu Beach. A beautifully adorned Gudi stood tall, symbolizing victory and good fortune, while traditional thalis carried the essence of culture and devotion. But what makes this truly special is this: no matter the festival, no matter the occasion, the aerobics never stops. Because for Usha Patel, fitness is not separate from life, it is life. She blends health and happiness, discipline and celebration, and
Radhe
routine with
Om. All are looking
tradition.
so beautiful.
Here, every day is a commitment, and every festival is a celebration of togetherness. In a world full of excuses, this is a story of consistency. In a world chasing balance, this is how it's truly done. And at Jew Beach, that life begins every morning at 6 a.m.